I'm here at Scandinave, a spectacular outdoor spa spread over 3 acres of natural land and overlooking Whistler's incredible landscape. They offer the Scandinavian baths experience plus massage and baths packages. The Scandinavian baths, also known as hydrotherapy, are renowned for their energizing and relaxing properties. They cleanse the skin, improve physical conditioning, and promote a sense of well-being. For the ultimate relaxation, enjoy a Swedish, deep tissue, or hot stone massage. While you're here in Whistler, be sure to experience the Scandinave Spa.